Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Simple Machines. This is chapter number 9 of your science book, and in today's video we are going to learn what is simple machines. Now for that we first need to know what is machine. Now machine helps us to do our work very faster. A machine can be defined as a tool that makes our work easier by helping us to overcome a large force by applying lesser force and effort. Anything which makes our work easier, that is machine. For example, washing machine, car, a stapler. These things make our work easier. So we will put these things in the category of machines. Now, we will learn about two types of machines, that is complex machine and simple machine. Complex machine, the big machines which we actually think as machine, they are the complex machines. For example, washing machines, cars, aeroplanes, refrigerator, fans, these all are the complex machines. Now what are simple machines? These simple machines, they all work together and they helps us to do the things in a single force. For example, stapler or the scissor or broom or a crowbar. So anything which require less force, a single force, then that will be kept in the category of simple machines. So my dear children, machines are of two types, complex and simple. Simple, which requires less force or no force, and the complex machines are the big machines which we actually think they are the machines. A simple machine basically is a mechanical device that makes our life easier. If a force is applied at one point, the simple machine transmits it to another point. Okay, so that is the work of simple machine. In this lesson, we will learn how simple machines make our work easier. What are the ways they make our work easier? So the first which we will see is that is by increasing the amount of force applied. So in this what we will do, what we come to understand that instead of applying a force directly to the wheel of a bicycle, it is easier and more convenient to apply it to the pedal. So what we are doing, we are increasing the force on a paddle, then what is happening, the bicycle is moving. The second one, by changing the direction of the force apply. So here what we are doing, here we are changing the direction. It is very difficult to lift a bucket full of water directly. So what do we do? But the task become easier if the force is applied to a downward direction using a pulley. Then what we are doing? We are applying the force to the opposite side. Now the third one, by increasing the speed of doing things. In this what is happening? In such a case, this is the case of the machines, it is said to be used as a speed of multiplier, like gears is an automobile that is used to change the speed of the automobiles. What do? We change the gear and automatically the speed of the vehicle is increasing. This is how a machine helps in our day-to-day life. Now in this lesson we are going to study about the 6 types of simple machines. The first one is seesaw, and the second one is ramp, third one is pulley, fourth one is screw, fifth one is axe, and sixth one is bicycle wheel. So these are the types of machines. These are the basic machines, है ना? These are the basic simple machine we use as a machine, and then we come to know that what are the machines. In this chapter we will study about each of the machines one by one, and you will know how we are using this in our day to day life. I know all the things you are using every day, but you are unaware that these were the simple machines. So no need to worry children, we will be studying about this in next video, and we will be discussing all the 6 types of basic simple machines. So I hope my dear children you would have understood what is simple machine, what are the types of machines, and how these machines helps to make our work easier. Thank you my dear children.